How to use affirmations effectively, expert-backed tips. Welcome to our guide on effectively using affirmations, featuring expert advice to maximize their impact in your life. Start by crafting affirmations that are deeply personal and address specific self-doubts or goals. Repeating these daily will reinforce their power. Affirmations should be concise and memorable for ease of repetition, crucial for embedding them into your subconscious. Ensure your affirmations are realistic to foster genuine belief, avoiding overly optimistic phrases that may feel insincere. Identify and challenge limiting beliefs by reflecting deeply on the negative thoughts you aim to overcome with your affirmations. For goal-oriented affirmations, utilize the SMART criteria to set clear, achievable objectives within your larger life vision. Repetition is key in affirmation practice. Vocalize your affirmations regularly to solidify them in your belief system and enhance their effectiveness. Finally, integrate affirmations into daily actions and behaviors to truly embody the change they represent, completing the transformation process.